birthday. Got a sweet treat just for your cake. You keep all these dudes so thirsty. Girl, don't be shy.
Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
Alright, hey! Welcome back. Final stretch of this radio show. You're still with DJ Tommy G, the hitman for Bandera Night Jams. Final stretch now, okay? And here's an invitation for everybody. Yung mga nangangailangan ng what do we call this? Laboratory diagnostics and others, okay? Get extra discount sa mga laboratory. Visit CMMG. They are having the 18th anniversary promo. This will be from July 21 to 26. July 21 to 26, 6:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. 1,700 pesos na lang yung complete laboratory testing. CBC, urinalysis, FBS, creatinine, SGPT, uric acid, total cholesterol, LDL, HDL triglycerides, and ECG and chest X-ray. Plus, this needs fasting ha. Yung, alam niyo naman yung procedure ng laboratory na yon. Yung nangangailangan ng fasting 10 to 12 hours muna. No? Okay, July 21 to 26. 18th anniversary promo. Pang 18th, no? Parang debut. Speaking of debut, ha? Nag-host ako niyan. Debut, wedding, simply seminars or whatever event you have. Okay? Yan. So, you guys call or text me up. DJ Tommy G for hosting services. Okay? Mura na. Nauutang pa. Okay, so again, and congratulations din sa CMMG, of course, as they will be having their 18th anniversary. Yung sa San Narciso, I'm sorry. CMMG San Narciso naman is from August 4 to 9, okay? And you will get extra discount if you pre-register June 23 to July 20. At CMMG Co-op Hospital, they are located at number 14 Brill Street, West Bahak-Bahak, Olongapo City. Yung nililikuan ng red na jeepney, okay? Yan, doon siya matatagpuan, ha? Alright, so you guys check it out. And also our friends at Mang Tomas, Lechon Manok at iba pa is inviting all of you to try their garlic flavored crispy fried chicken, okay? Only 600 pesos per bucket of 8. Oh, di ba? Sulit na sulit yan. Malalaki yung hiwa, malalaking pieces. Mang Tomas, Lechon Manok at iba pa. Hindi po akin yan, ha? Yung may-ari, Tomas din ang pangalan, pero hindi ako, ha? And the new location for Mang Tomas, if you want to try their garlic-flavored crispy fried chicken, they are now located at near 7-Eleven in Balik-Balik. Yung malapit sa school na 7-Eleven, ha? Oh, di ba? Social yung Balik-Balik, no? Dala-dalawa pa yung 7-Eleven. Magkabila ang dulo. Pero Mang Tomas is near the school, Balik-Balik Elementary School, doon malapit, ha? The 7-Eleven parking area doon, okay? Yung area ng 7-Eleven. All right. And also, we would like to greet happy 3rd anniversary. Cool Masters Air Conditioning and Trading. Yan, yung nasa kanto radar, sabi ni Kuya David Palma. Yan. Buti na lang radar yung pangalan ng kanto, no? Paano kung ano yan? Kung 10 kanto yan, di ba? Kanto 1, kanto 2, kanto 3, kanto 4. Pagdating sa kanto 8, 9, kanto 10. Oh, kala nyo ha? Ika-10 kanto. Pero kanto radar, wala namang bilangan. Kanto radar. Number 3. Tama ba ako? Number 3, no? Kanto radar in Roosevelt. Yan, Bataan. It's part of Dinalupihan actually, ang Roosevelt, no? Malaki ang Dinalupihan eh. Parte na nila yan eh. Yan. So, happy 3rd anniversary. May lumpiang Shanghai ba? Pero naranasan ko na magpagawa dyan sa Cool Masters Air Conditioning. Galing nila, ang galing mga staff nila. Dinala ko yung heater, lumamig eh. Tapos sabi ko, eto, oven. Kaya nyo bang pagyelohin to? Ba, nagyelo yung oven eh. Naging freezer eh. Ganon sila kagaling. Oo. Kaya kung merong sira, sa kanila na kayo magpagawa. No? Air conditioning, ref and air conditioning. Yan. Kung meron namang gawa, gusto nyong ipasira, huwag na kayo mag-bother pumunta doon. Ihagis nyo lang sa bintana. Gusto nyo masira eh. Ayan, si Kuya David. Ayan, Kuya David Palma. And everybody at Cool Masters. Ayan, happy birthday sa inyo. Ha? Happy anniversaryo. Okay? Maligayang pagbati. Maligayang kaarawan. From all of us here at Radyo Bandera 107.1 FM. Okay? And thank you for always tuning in. Lagi silang naka-tune in dito sa atin, you know? Kahit hindi tayo naka-on, kahit naka-off tayo, kalain mo nakikinig kahit naka-off tayo. Inaabangan na mag-on, kaya ikaw, Giselle, aga-agahan mo. Naka-off pa lang tayo, may nakikinig na. Kalain mo yun. Ang bait-bait ng Cool Master sa atin eh. Sa kanila tayo magpapagawa ng ng ilong. Yung mga chapad na ilong, pagawa natin doon. Sa Cool Masters. Okay, but yeah, happy anniversary po, Cool Masters, mga idol. Yeah, I love you all. Yan, para may dumating na lumpia dito sa sa Radyo Bandera, di ba? Gusto mo lumpia? Anniversary nila eh. Spaghetti, meron din. Yeah. Okay. Ano na nga ba yun? Nawala na ako sa sasabihin ko eh. Oh,